I got a couple really cool EDC items in the mail, and I'm really excited to share them with you. They are from iansinclair.com. They design and develop highly innovative consumer products like the world's first everlasting flashlight torch. Now, I like this little thing. It comes in like this little CD case type thing, and it is thin as a credit card. Look at that. Look how thin that is. And now, we don't use credit cards, but I happen to have my concealed weapon permit, so I just want to show you just how tiny that is. There's no batteries to buy or charge, no lamps to blow, and it uses twin white, energy-saving, super bright LEDs, and it only weighs 27 grams. You can throw this thing in your bug-out bag, put it in your wallet or your purse. You never know when you're going to need a good flashlight. Now check this out. This is the Card Sharp credit card folding safety knife, weighing in at only 13 grams. Just 3 ingenious folding operations metamorphosizes the card into an elegant pocket utility tool. The stainless steel surgical blade ensures longer lasting, rust-free sharpness. The built-in protective sheath helps prevent injury and blunting. Pick one of these up for your bug-out bag, maybe for your car, or it easily fits in your wallet. If you'd like to check these out, I'll put the link in the description box below, iansinclair.com. Go check out, everlasting flashlight torch. Oops, I fell out. Okay. The Card Sharp is a sharp idea that fits safely inside your wallet. Card Sharp is a sharp idea that fits safely inside. It's not going easily. Easily fit inside your wallet. It doesn't because the freaking thing is in the way. All right.
Just in the corner there.
All right. This may take a while because starting with my purse, I carry my keys. I carry my triple action pepper spray. Inside here I carry